2023 Honda ZRV unveiled. The Honda ZRV is the latest model of the Honda compact crossover SUV and was first revealed on April 4, 2022. Later on, making its debut on May 19th in China, but is set to fully launch in the United States by 2023. In today's video, we would be exploring the features of the Honda ZRV and more. So stay tuned and make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on other amazing content. Honda ZRV. The ZRV is a new compact crossover SUV for China, manufactured by the Guangzhou Honda joint venture with the same version marketed in Europe, but spotting a few changes. Not much has been shared by the company about this C-segment vehicle making the rounds, but sources say that it is the Chinese version of the Honda HR-V. While the ZR-V nameplate will be used in the European markets for model specifications in 2023. Though the ZR-V is believed to have some familiarity with the China Honda HR-V model, it is slightly bigger than the HR-V. There are speculations that the ZR-V might also share some of the specifications of the HR-V, but definitely like a more improved version. According to Honda, the acronym ZR-V stands for Z Runabout Vehicle, which is a reference to Generation Z. Its goal is to meet the mobility need of Generation Z while breaking paradigms in the search for new experiences. Features: the Honda ZR-V shares its platform with the 11th generation Civic, and it's a high-power vehicle that would be able to last up to 200,000 miles or more. Moreover, the China version would most likely inherit an on-hybrid 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine, but would use a full hybrid powertrain form in Europe. For a compact crossover SUV, it has a very sleek and unique exterior design that gives off a classy, sophisticated yet rugged effect, making it a perfect sporty and luxury car at the same time, suitable for both on-road trips and off-road trips. A very portable ride, something for both a city cruise and an adventure ride, but it would be wise to avoid rocky routes. It also has a new chrome element added to the lower part of the bumper, which houses dual exhaust pipes. Its octagonal-shaped grid front view is slightly similar to that of a 2019 Hyundai sedan. It is also accompanied by slim LED headlamps with L-shaped wheels, C-shaped fog lamp housing, intended like windows that provide a very commanding look that is eye-catching and will make heads turn to cause a long gaze. Although there has been no release of any official interior photos or information about this superior vehicle, it is expected that it won't fall short of quality, judging from the specifications of the HR-V model. It is also expected that the ZR-V would have a dashboard similar to the Civics with high quality, freestanding, new generation 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, mesh-covered air vents, and a 12-speaker Bose sound system for top-spec models. Other accessories like premium leather seats as well as a panoramic sunroof with a larger, beautiful view thanks to its dual glass panels. The panoramic sunroof would provide the passengers with a grand view of the sky and a feel of nature while on the inside. Suitable for an outdoor romantic movie date while watching the sunrise in the morning. This four-door, compact crossover SUV has a two-seat space in front and a widespread seat at the back that can comfortably accommodate 5 passengers. Therefore, it is suitable for family use, but for families with smaller kids than adults. It's very versatile and has a high comfortability ratio. It has both front and back USB plug-in ports for easier and uninterrupted use of all passengers. Now your teens don't have to argue on who gets to charge first or take turns doing so. Though the price range of the SUV hasn't been revealed, it is best to believe that its price will top up a few thousand more than the HR-V model, which kicks off from a price window of over $35,000. A test run of the ZR-V by customers when it finally hits the market will give more insights on lifetime value and reliability. But for what it's worth, Honda vehicles have a lasting lifespan. With the Honda HR-V, you will likely get 13 or more years of pain-free service. Therefore, more is to be expected from the ZR-V. Other models like the HR-V and CR-V are very reliable, with a cost-effective maintenance price. Upon the arrival of the Honda ZR-V in 2023, it would surely pose as a rival to other car models such as the Toyota RAV4, Nissan Qashqai, and Kia Sportage. The design of more Honda hybrid SUV models shows that the company's focus is mainly on electrified technology, and what this means for Honda is that there will be just a single model without any electrification in its lineup. According to Honda, they believe that hybrid power still has a role to play in reducing CO2 emissions and enabling customers to transition to zero-emissions driving, offering a better driving experience. New arrival. With Honda ZRV practically still under the wraps and about to be launched, sources say that Honda is currently working on the next generation Honda CR-V, which debuts next year in Europe, featuring a hybrid engine range and most likely including a plug-in hybrid. It just seems like 2023 is the official Honda's year for subs, following the seemingly mass production and launch of both the Honda ZR-V and next generation Honda CR-V. It is very necessary to note that the Honda HR-V in North America is not related to the HR-V sold in Southeast Asia, also known as Vezel in Japan, and the same North American market version of the HR-V is also known as the ZR-V in Europe and China. The purpose for such a complicated arrangement is because there's a high market demand for subs, and Honda recognizes this and believes that they can't solely rely on just the HR-V and CR-V to satisfy this demand, hence the need for newer models to help scale the business and drive more sales. This C-segment vehicle would be placed alongside its predecessors, the Honda HR-V and Honda CR-V, serving as a compelling option for customers who are looking for a dynamic yet sporty, fully hybrid SUV. There is no doubt that the 2023 Honda ZR-V model would be a showstopper and would gain a lot of headway in market demand. Speaking about new arrivals, Honda has revealed a sketch of the e-Prologue SUV, set to be launched in 2024. It is necessary to note that this is the very first Honda model designed primarily through a virtual reality visualization technology, and it has a strong hint of the Honda-y in the front fascia. As an electronic car with the absence of engine sounds, wind sounds, as well as any other sound entering the cabins would be easily noticed. So for the e-Prologue SUV, more focus was put on aerodynamics, fine-tuning the body with simple surface directions and fuel lines to improve range and decrease cabin noise. Furthermore, a $40 billion investment plan has been made by Honda to launch 30 electronic vehicle models globally by 2030. The goal of this automaker company is to introduce affordable EVs in 2027 with a competitive cost range as gasoline-powered vehicles. This means that by 2027, Honda would be dominating the market with a whole new lineup of hybrid cars at an affordable price range. Although the key problem of the EV era is the global procurement of batteries, Honda has announced that it will ensure the stable procurement of lithium-ion batteries in every region by solidifying external partnerships. Honda seems to have recognized the change of trends from gasoline to hybrid model cars and has decided to transition to best serve its customers. So, in case you're looking to get a new car or add one more SUV to your collection, then the ZR-V is the vehicle to take a chance on. Honda is known for its reliability, so there is a great guarantee of getting good value for your money. Thanks for watching till the end. Let us know your thoughts by dropping your comments. And also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.